One final stock, and that's Ascendis Health. We own it, so we've got to give it some good time. It's a health and care brands company which has different divisions focusing on plant and animal health, but really at its core, a portfolio of pharma type stuff, and then quite a big business and a growing business in nutraceuticals, which is the stuff that, for example, drinks and health supplements and all of that kind of stuff. It's an interesting group. Carsten Wellner is the CEO, but behind the scenes is an investment company called Coast to Coast, run by Gary Shane and a couple of other guys. It's now expanding out of Southern Africa heavily into the European market with some quite aggressive acquisitions of companies based in Eastern Europe and Cyprus and the likes. Market capitalization 9 billion rand. Price earnings ratio 37.87, dividend yield 1.1%, but it's matured from really a new startup that was only recently listed. Share chart, please. You can see it got as high as 26 Rand a share, slipped back a little bit to 21. Hasn't seen all that much excitement, but the deals, Wayne, just keep coming.
Yes, the deal, 2 more yesterday, and they announced their results yesterday as well. I think earnings were fantastic. Look, I must admit there's some new words I never knew. Cosmeceuticals and nutraceuticals. Anyway, that doesn't matter. But results were exceptional.
And that's what happens with these roll-up type models, because obviously the earnings growth is a function of all the businesses they acquired, and at lower PEs than they can deliver at the group
level. And they've done extremely well with that. They're generating a lot of cash. And I actually like this vet pet type things.
Yes.
It's actually a very nice market. It's relatively unregulated. You can move quite quickly in there, and there's actually big demand.
Yeah,
it's actually a very nice market.
And
Margins
people
are
good. And the customers don't complain.
Yeah.
As far as the European stuff's concerned, though, they bought Remedica in Cyprus, and then they bought another business there yesterday, or they announced it, called Sunwave. And then the Cytec business and NHP Pharma are going to give them quite a strong position in European nutraceuticals, particularly exercise-related products, which has got a little subculture that really go for that stuff.
Yeah.
So the concern there is Europe economy just a little bit spongy.
Well, look, it can't get much worse in Europe. At the end of the day, the economy is 5 years behind the US, but it'll probably get a little bit better. And certainly, maybe 6 months ago the share price was too high, but it's not high anymore.
And I suppose what Europe needs in order to get itself moving again is a positive outcome in the French election, which doesn't result in political instability. That would be a huge net positive. Okay, I like this one. I think it's just, a smaller company in the same space.
I think it's a very good
doing
company.
Lots of deals. The guys work very hard to integrate those businesses, and they're going to deliver hard currency earnings. If the rand weakens, that'll be helpful.
They do need a weaker rand at the end of the day.
Well, a lot of us would be hoping for a slightly weaker rand when it comes to the investment market. Okay, hot for that.